So one thing I've been meaning to do is make a chart of all the colors that are in my paint pan, and then show how they what colors they make when they overlap with each other. So I think all of these are wet, but I'm just gonna drop a little water in each one. Some of them look like maybe I haven't used them in a while. A little dab of water in each one. My water's not super clean, and that's a bummer. But I think it'll be okay for this. So here's my plan. I'm going to kind of go rainbow order, but I need to make sure that I get all of these colors in. I'm going to do a stripe of each color. And then when this is dry, I'm going to use the same colors and do, a stripe going down so that I can see what colors they make when they cross. This is especially nice if you have watercolors that are in a tube and you're squeezing them out. It helps us to know what the colors make when they're mixed, and also when you overlap two colors, when you're painting dry on, like I guess it's called dry, wet on dry. If you paint over a color that's already there with a different color, this little chart will help to know what those overlapping areas will look like. So I'm trying not to let the color be different from one end to the other, because one of these colors is going to be coming down this end to overlap, and I want it to be true all the way across. Also, it's possible that I don't have a big enough piece of paper here. So we'll find that out next time when I try to paint these lines going vertically. Probably this color now. I've seen people do this with a ruler, and they'll make a grid, and instead of doing stripes, they'll do a square of each color and then overlap them. Or use stripes but do a ruler. Use a ruler to make the lines really straight and perfect. I don't feel like doing that right now, but I think it actually would probably be beautiful to look at and keep, not just as a reference chart, but as a nice, colorful painting. Okay, where am I? I think this one is next. Can't remember how purple this is compared to that other one. Okay, so that's 5, 13. So I have black, brown, and white left. Great. Brown. I'm making my lines skinnier. I'm really hoping there'll be enough room going down this side. I'll make it work. I am gonna do white. We all know what white does when it mixes with another color, but I think it'll be interesting to know if it changes when the paint is already dry on the paper. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry, and then I will start painting with red on the left all the way down and see if I can get all the way through white on this end after it's dry.